No more breakage. I want you to type this in the comment section below. If your hair has been shedding and breaking, just type it in the comment section and say no more breakage. And as I'm saying it, so do I mean it. My hair stopped shedding and breaking when I discovered this recipe. Did you know that the excessive shedding and breakage is the reason why you're not retaining length? If you're able to tackle your shedding and breakage, your hair will start growing. You start seeing your hair grow, like you will see visible results in your hair. The moment you start using this recipe and being consistent with it, you start seeing visible results, even as short as 1 week. You see visible results in your hair. Like you will comb your hair, you will see little or nothing on the floor. Your hair will stay strengthened and stronger, that you will be able to retain length. You can check back my videos, you can scroll back down to my videos as at 2020, 2021, 2022. Compare my hair with my present hair now, you will see that there is a huge difference in my hair. Instead of my hair to go down, it is flourishing. So I am the best person to tell you this, that you can do it. All you just need to do is just to get the ingredients, make this herbal tea, be consistent with it, use it 2 to 3 times a week to hydrate your hair, just as I'm doing on this video, from your scalp to your tips. Then you apply your leave-in conditioner and then seal with your pomade. Just do as I'm doing in this video. You try to massage your edges just to work the products in. Make sure that the products penetrate your hair and you will see the magic in these products. It is very common, but it's amazing. To begin, grab a jar like so. Make sure it is clean. And the first ingredient is dandelion root. So if you don't know where to purchase this, you can go on Amazon, type dandelion root and you will see this. And if you're in Nigeria and you don't know where to see this, check those that sell herbal ingredients online, ask them of dandelion root. Or you can as well go to Nigerian markets, ask the Hausas, those Hausas that sell zobo leaves. They are the ones that usually stock herbs. Some herbs that we don't even believe that they usually have it. So measure that out in 1 tablespoon. Please, you can also use the powder. For the second ingredient, I have bay leaves. As common as this is, you guys use it to make jollof rice, party jollof rice. That's what they use this to make. It has amazing aroma. So this is very common. You will not tell me, Dima, I can't find this is difficult to find. You know the bay leaves you use to make rice, jollof rice, this is it. So just use about 5 to 6 leaves of the bay leaves. Now moving on to the last ingredient, second to the last ingredient, I have hibiscus. Now, some of you have been telling me that you rarely see gray hair on my hair. Well, I don't know what you're looking for, but I want to tell you that the reason why my hair is darker, I don't usually have dark hair, is because I use hibiscus. Some of you call me the queen of hibiscus on this channel. That's because I've been consistent with hibiscus. If you check my videos way back 2020, you will see that I've been consistent with hibiscus and it's doing my hair a lot of good. So I use that in 3 dry flowers and I poured 500 ml worth of hot water. You can make more if you want more of it. Yeah, but I'm just doing 500 ml worth. Now you allow it to steep very well for 12 hours. Please don't strain anything less than 12 hours. So after 12 hours, the herbs will be released in the hot water or the water, and then you get all the benefits that are embedded in the herbs. Now go ahead and strain this using your strainer, and then you transfer to your spray bottle. You can use this herbal tea in 2 ways. You can use it as a tea rinse, whereby you shampoo your hair, you deep condition, and then you pour it over your hair. That way you don't even need spray bottle. But if you're using it to hydrate your hair like 2 to 3 times a week, like I told you, you're to put it in a spray bottle. Now watch what I'm going to do here. My hair is tasty and needs some hydration, so all I will do is just to spray these from my roots to my tips, and then I apply my leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I put my leave-in conditioner in the herbal tea and then I shake it up very well and spray from my roots to my tips, and then I seal with oil or hair pomade. Just in case you're looking for something to use and seal in moisture in your hair, please make hair grease, make hair pomade, the type that we usually make on this channel. It's an excellent sealant. You don't need to whip it, so just make it and use it. You will love it. So I spray from my scalp to my tips. Just watch what I'm doing. Make sure you hydrate your hair with it, and then you follow up with your leave-in conditioner, and then seal with hair growth butter or hair pomade, whichever you have. So that's basically it for this. This can only last for 5 days in your refrigerator. Please, after 5 days, throw it and make a fresh batch because it will no longer be potent. I keep saying this on all my videos, but some of you still do whatever you want to do. Microorganisms can act in products in the refrigerator, so you don't have to think that it's safe in the refrigerator. When you put it in the refrigerator, what happens is not going to go bad, but what will happen is that it will be less potent because microorganisms have acted on it. It will be less potent. Just like you would have milk in the fridge, sometimes the milk might go bad. That's as a result of microorganisms acting on that milk. It doesn't mean that the milk has expired, especially the milk that you perforated. So sorry, those steam milk that you would keep in the refrigerator. After a while, it loses its taste. It is because some microorganisms have acted on it, and the milk will no longer be as fresh as it was before you opened it or when you've newly opened it. So that's that about that. So if you're serious about stopping your shedding this 2025, this is the recipe for you. So all you need to do is to get your ingredients ready and start using this. Be consistent. Please tag me when you try this and it works for you. Tag me when you're trying this. Tag me everywhere. Share your videos with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.